Hey guys, the team over at Bulldogology sent over this rear seat cover for dogs. First of all, when you open the box, you're gonna get this seat cover. You're also gonna get this seat belt attachment. So you attach this end to your seat belt, this end to your dog's collar or harness. Let's open this up. I love how heavyweight this is. It's waterproof, it's washing machine safe, it's heavyweight. There's non-skid on the back that's gonna help keep everything in place. The straps are easy to adjust. They just go over the back of the car seats and snap in place. Then you can adjust everything to keep it nice and tight. If you don't know what these are seat anchors. You tuck this into the seat. It's gonna help keep that seat cover in place. Once you install that, it's gonna have all around seat protection. So it's gonna go down the sides and cover that seat fully. In the middle of the hammock, there is a Velcro closure. That's gonna allow you to get those middle seat belts through to the other side without being pushed underneath the cover. If you're looking for a rear car seat cover for your dogs, I really like this one from Bulldogology, and I hope that this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.